Welcome to Josh Ki Kheti YouTube channel, where today we'll show you how to transform your small urban space into a thriving garden. Whether you have a balcony, a rooftop, or just a tiny backyard, these urban farming techniques will help you grow fresh, healthy produce right at home. Step 1. Introduction to urban farming. Urban farming is all about making the most of the limited space you have. It's a great way to enjoy fresh food, reduce your carbon footprint, and connect with nature, even in the heart of the city. Step 2. Container gardening. First up, container gardening. You can use pots, buckets, or even repurpose old containers. Choose the right size for your plants and ensure they have proper drainage. Container gardening is versatile and perfect for balconies and patios. Step 3. Vertical gardening. Next, let's go vertical. Vertical gardening maximizes your growing space by utilizing walls and fences. Use wall planters, trellises, and hanging baskets to grow herbs, leafy greens, and even small fruiting plants. Step 4. Hydroponics. Hydroponics is a soilless growing method that's perfect for urban environments. Plants grow in nutrient-rich water, and systems can be set up indoors or on balconies. This technique conserves water and can lead to faster plant growth. Step 5. Window farming. Window farming is another innovative method. Utilize the sunlight coming through your windows by setting up a vertical system using recycled bottles or containers. This is ideal for growing herbs and small vegetables. Step 6. Square foot gardening. Square foot gardening maximizes space efficiency. Divide your garden bed into a grid of square feet and plant a different crop in each square. This method is excellent for raised beds and ensures you get the most out of your limited space. Step 7. Rooftop gardening. If you have access to a rooftop, you've got a potential urban oasis. Use raised beds, containers, and even greenhouses to grow a variety of plants. Rooftop gardens can provide ample sunlight and a unique growing environment. Step 8. Community gardens. Don't forget about community gardens. These shared spaces allow you to grow your own food while connecting with others in your community. They're a great way to learn from fellow urban farmers and share resources. With these urban farming techniques, you can create a green heaven in any small space. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the process of growing your own food. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more urban farming tips.